Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create an online course in high level and how to sell it. If we break down the entire video and what I'm going to do in this video, first of all we are going to create a course, then we are going to create access to that course, and then we are going to make that course live under a subdomain by using a feature in high level called client portal. Finally, we are going to implement a whole funnel or a landing page where people will be able to come and pay or fill out a form and make the payment to get access to that course automatically. So let's begin by talking about how we are going to create a course. So basically a course can consist of video materials, audio materials, documents, texts, a lots of stuff. So we have to go to our membership area, which is totally empty right now, and this is my own sub account. And let's just make this a bit bigger so you can see it more clearly. Okay, so this is our membership area, and if you come under courses, we are not going to talk about any community or anything because this video is specifically about making courses. And if we go under products, a product is basically a course or combination of lessons. So if I think about my product or my course, it's GoHighLevel tutorials. So I'm going to create something called Learn GoHighLevel in 14 days. That's basically my offer. And my course could be GoHighLevel tutorials. So that's how I'm going to do it. I don't have to import from Kajabi. I am going to start from scratch. Let's start by using a sprint course template. So I'm gonna do GoHighLevel tutorials A to Z. I'll create that course. Now, once it's created, you can see a few pre-written structures. The course name is this. If you go to details, you can do a title, you can do a description, you can also do a thumbnail, and the dimensions for the thumbnail is 1280 by 720. So if you're using Canva or Photoshop, or if you have a designer who's doing graphics for your courses, just use this dimension to come up with a project or a product thumbnail. So for now, I'll just use anything. I'll just do maybe this one. Yeah, upload. I don't think this is in the right dimension, but anyway. Customization, instructor heading. Okay, I'll just do instructor. Yeah, that's fine. Name of the instructor is Hasib, digital creator. And this is my bio, right? Hey, I am a digital marketer and a digital creator. Logo image, this is basically your logo, which is in a square format. As you can see, it's 640 by 640, but it could be anything as long as it's a 1 by 1 format. So you can use your logo if you want. For now, I'll just use a blank something, maybe this one. That's it. That's my logo. Favicon image, that's the favicon that you see on the top tab on your browser. If you want to use that, you can, but I'm not going to use it for now. Advanced CSS, JS, tracking code, I'm not using any of those. But that's all for details. Once I'm done, I'm going to save. And you can delete the product if you want, but we're just getting started, so I'm not thinking of deleting anything now. Let's go to customize. So how does it look? How does the interface look on the course? So I'll just go with this one, and you can definitely customize it if you want, but I'm just gonna select it as it is for now. So I'm gonna apply. Of course I can customize it later, but for now I'll just do the default one. Offers, I don't have any offer, but we're gonna talk about the offers later. Comments, yeah, let's look at comments. Okay, you can hide comments if you like. If you want to disable comments, you can do that. Public, both user selection, right? You can allow specific users on your course to make comments, which we don't really use, but for now let's do instructor only. So that's basically no one can comment on the videos, right? Maybe if you have another group you're managing your users through, then you can have them comment there. But for now, no one can comment on the videos. Certificates, yeah, you can look at certificates at your own time, but for now I'll just stick to creating the product. Now let's talk about the product structure or the outline. Let's talk about how the course will be organized. There will be categories. So I'll say I have multiple categories: introduction, I have appointment booking, I have sales funnels, I have lots of categories, right? So I'll just click on this plus, create a category called introduction. I will create another one called appointment booking. I'll create another one called funnels on websites. All right. So I have 3 categories now. Now I could create videos or maybe any kind of content, any kind of lesson under each category. So I'll just click on add lesson. I'll just say introduction to GoHighLevel, right? I'll save it. And it's created a lesson for me. I'll click on that and then I'll upload a video. So I'll just do any video for now. This one, maybe. Yeah. So it's being uploaded now, right? While it's being uploaded, let me talk about the other stuff. Like you can give it a title, you can give it what category it's under, you can change the category if you like. You can definitely do a description where you can upload links. And if you look at on the right side, you can see attached files. So if you want to upload any document, any form, or any kind of PDFs in it, you can definitely do it. This is the lesson thumbnail. This works on when people are viewing your course, they see the thumbnail. So definitely upload a thumbnail. Like I used the other one for now. I'll just use this one. Upload file, yeah. And once it's done, it's saved. So just publish it, right? Publish it and go back. And you can already see the category I just created, introduction. It's in draft, so definitely publish it. You have the ability to lock it, but for now, publish it. And the same thing goes for all the other categories, right? So just keep creating lessons. You can drag and drop lessons, right? That's one of the cool things about the high level course builder. You can drag and drop courses. You can publish them, you can lock them out, you can draft them. So once everything's done, you can see a preview, but we're not going to look at preview for now. So that's basically our products, right? So I've created a course called GoHighLevel Tutorials A to Z. Now let's think about how to give people access to this. So I'm going to create an offer. You can call it the access to this course or multiple courses in this case. If I have multiple courses, one for GoHighLevel, I teach Google Ads as well. So one for Google Ads, I teach Facebook Ads. So I can have a bundle offer where if anyone signs up for that, they get access to all 3. Or I can have separate products or offers where I'll just give them access to each product separately. But you cannot directly give them access to a product. You need to give them access through an offer, right? So let's go to offers. And I'm going to call my offer Learn GoHighLevel in 14 days. And now it's asking me to include a product. That's it. Type is free, not free. I'm going to charge a one-time fee for that. So let's make sure you have Stripe connected. This is very important. Otherwise, you're not going to see any option in here. So basically go to settings, go to integrations on your sub account, of course. On your sub account, go to settings, go to integrations, and there you'll see the option to connect your Stripe, right? So I'm going to say 147 is my price. Right, you can do an override, but for now I'll not do anything. Payment mode is if you want to do test, you can definitely do it, but I'll just make it live, or maybe I'll just do it test for now. Right, definitely publish the offer as well, otherwise you're not going to be able to see the offer. And you can see you can later edit the offer, edit price, allow checkouts, access coupons. If you want to give out coupons, you can definitely do that. And if you go to payments and then go to coupons, you have the ability to create coupons as well. Begin access at a specific date. So it's basically when you are starting your course. Enter number of days, restrict, that's not necessary. If you want to upload a thumbnail, there's the dimension 1280 by 720. You can do this. So I'm just gonna do the generic one for now. That's it. That's my thumbnail for this offer as well. But do use different thumbnails for the product, the lessons, and the offer. Don't do it like me. Don't do it like how I'm doing. Once you're done, just hit save, and you can get a link to this. So if I copy this link and if I go to a new tab, that's my course. So I can sign up for through my email, full name, and if I want to enter coupon code, and when I go to the next round or next step, it asks me for payment. So I'll just do test, and I'll go to proceed to checkout. It will ask me to add my card details. That's basically it, and I can charge via Revolut as well, which is good. Okay, now let's go back to our offer, right? So upsell, you can look into it. If you want to add any upsell to it, you can do it. But for now, I'm not gonna use anything, any kind of upsell now. Let's go back to my offer. Get link, preview how it looks like. We've already seen how it looks like, right? Delete offer, we're not gonna delete it now. We are actually halfway there. We have created our product. We have created the access to that product. Now let's talk about how to, get rid of this weird looking domain, which is IMIWW. It looks really bad and spammy. So I do want to add my own subdomain. So I have, my website is ashhasib.com. I want to do membersarea.ashhasib.com, right? So the people go to membersarea.ashhasib.com and then they get access, or they start watching my videos. That's what I want, right? So I'll just go to my DNS zone for my domain. But before that, let me just go to settings from courses. Now we are talking about setting up our domain for the members area or the course, right? So I'll go to domain. As you can see, it took me to sites, client portal, and basically client portal hosts courses, and it also hosts the communities that you have for nurturing leads and stuff. So that's why we have to add domain to a client portal. You cannot have a separate domain for, courses and a separate one for communities. So there's only one single domain you can connect, which is under the client portal. So I'm going to do membersarea.com, add domain, and now it's going to ask me to add a CNAME record, which is a DNS record. If you don't know what a DNS record is, I actually have a video explaining all these stuff. But if you don't want to go through the hassle, just contact your domain or hosting provider. They'll help you. Definitely they'll help you. Or if you want to do it yourself, maybe you're using GoDaddy or Namecheap or stuff like that. So just type GoDaddy DNS zone editor or Namecheap DNS zone editor. No matter what kind of hosting or domain provider you have, you're definitely going to see the article to edit the DNS zone editor. So I'll just go to my DNS zone and then I'll update this record to create the subdomain and make this client portal live under my domain. So I'm going to create a subdomain called members.ashhasib.com. So I'm going to add a domain, add record. So I'm going to copy this and let's go to my DNS zone editor. That's my DNS zone. I'm going to add a record, and this is pretty much how it looks like in most of the hosting providers or domain providers out there. So I'm just going to do members and I'm going to do CNAME and come back, copy the value. That's the value. So that's the host, that's the type. TTL, you don't have to touch anything there, and that's the value. Save it. Once it's saved, maybe wait for a couple of minutes and then come back here and hit verify records. So that's done from my side. I'm going to verify the records now. And once the domain or the record that I just created starts propagating, or gets propagated successfully, this members area or this client portal is going to be live under my subdomain that I just created, members.ashhasib.com. Now, as you can see, it created the subdomain for me. I'm gonna just copy this one and just paste it here. Let's get rid of this one. As you can see, this is what my client portal looks like, and people have to come here and sign in order to get access to the course. That's what I wanted, and that's what's gonna happen really. So all done, everything's done from my side. Created the product or the course, created the access to the course. Now we have to come to the final step where we will create like a funnel or a landing page where people will be able to sign up for that course and get access automatically. Let's now go back to sites and let's go to funnels. Now I have already created a funnel for that, as you can see, GHL course. Okay, that's what my landing page looks like. So that's a really simple landing page. Maybe I'll make changes to this later, but for now, that's the one I'm gonna use. If you want to, see how I create these landing pages, there are videos on that on my channel. Just search for landing pages and search my name with it. You'll definitely see the videos in my channel. So that's my again, that's my course. I'm gonna go to products for now. I'll just delete this product because I want to show you how I create the product. So basically I want people to sign up here and then make a payment, and then they'll get access to the course I just created automatically, right? So I'll just go to products under this landing page. Obviously I'll add a product, and this will override the offer product I had, right? This will override whatever I did there while creating the offer. So I'm going to do, I already have a product created. If you want to see how I create products, just come down here to products and then create a product, give it the title, and give it the prices and everything, and then that's it. That's all you need to do. So I'll just go back to my course, my landing page, add a product, learn, go high level. Okay, that's my pricing. Okay, that's done. That's it. So I just added this product, 147 pounds, under my landing page, right? So I'll just click on this. Now this is also a preview URL, which I'm not gonna definitely use on any ads or anything, because I need it on my domain, which could be sales.ashaduzzaman.com, it could be courses.ashaduzzaman.com, it could be anything, right? So I'll just do skip this part for now, how to add subdomains to your funnel, because I've created so many content of that already. I don't have to go through that. So now let's talk about what's gonna happen when I sign up and when I actually make a payment, or when someone actually makes a payment. What's gonna happen? I have to create a workflow to grant them access to the course I just created. So let's go back to the course for a bit. Let's go to settings. Let's go to email settings, and here you can see the welcome email. You can skip the drip email, by the way. You can see the offer access email. Basically what happens is, through an automation, if I trigger that you need to grant, if I tell the system that you need to grant access to this person to this course, this email gets sent automatically. Now you can definitely edit. You can add a new template. You can have your own template in it. You can do whatever you want, but for now I'll just use the default offer access template and default welcome email template. So these go out when automatically I give someone access to my course when they sign up on this page, right? So I'll go to automation. I'll just create a folder called courses, and in this folder I'll just create a workflow saying, I'll just do for now, go high level 14-day access. Let's talk about the trigger now. So what's my trigger? My trigger is whenever this form is submitted, and this is an order form. So I'll just do order form submission in form. In funnel is a GHL course. That's the name of my funnel, and the page is a landing page, and the product is learn go high level in 14 days. That's the product, right? So it automatically fetched what product I have it connected in this page here. And now let's talk about what I need to do. I can send an email to myself that someone purchased a course, so that will be an internal notification. Now I don't want to do that now, but I can also add tags when the form is submitted saying that course grant or something, just to filter them out in the future. But the most important thing I need to do is I need to grant offer access, right? So course grant offer. What's the offer? The offer is learn go high level in 14 days. That's the offer we created under membership, right? So basically what I'm doing is, when the form is submitted, I'm sending course access to that person who signed up, right? So let's do a test now and see if I have received the access email and then everything properly. So guys, I'll just come back to my course for a bit. Actually my funnel, sorry. I'll come back to my funnel and I'll go to settings and I'll just do it. I'll just make sure that the funnel is in test mode, because I don't want to use any real card details to sign up for this course now. So once it's done, I'm gonna obviously this is gonna be blurred, so I'm just gonna go to step 2, and now I'm gonna select the product card. Okay, cool. That's it. All right, I'm gonna authorize this test payment because this is going through Stripe now. I have Stripe connected to my GoHighLevel account. That's a success. Okay, let me check my email if I got the access. Okay guys, as soon as I signed up, the workflow we created sent me automatically access to my offer, right? So this is my login URL. As you can see, it took me back to exactly where I said it would take me, and it logged me automatically because it comes with the parameters and everything. But if you want to log in later in the future, just save this login information, so you can, or your user, your subscriber who signs up for your course needs to save this for future login purposes. That's how basically you need to, or you can create courses in HighLevel, create access to the course, create a subdomain to make your course live under the GoHighLevel client portal, and create a funnel to give them access automatically when they, when they sign up or pay to sign up. So obviously you can, use this functionality as a lead magnet if you want to, give them a free course in exchange of their email address and phone number and name. You can definitely do that, and then you can nurture that to further sell a paid course in the future. This is the entire process, guys. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.